Hello friends, welcome back. I hope you are all doing great. Today we are going to make setup in VS Code to program STM32 microcontroller using VS Code IDE. So let us get started step by step. Go to your browser and search STM32 Cube MX. Click over here. This is STM32 Cube MX. Click to download. This is the license agreement, accept it and click on download as a guest. Finally click on download now and click on save. Downloading is started. Next, let us again search STM32 CLT. Click over here and click on get software. OK. This is STM32 CLT Win for Windows machine. Click on Get Latest to download. Let us accept the license agreement and click on Download as a guest. Now click on Download. OK. And save. Downloading is started. Right click over here and extract this. OK. OK, double click on this file to install. Next, accept the term and condition. Then next, accept this. Next, then OK. Again next. OK, next. Finally click on done. Now we will install STM32 CLT. Extract this. OK, now double click to install this. OK, click on next. I agree. OK, there is no enough space in my drive. Allow me to make free available space. OK, I cancelled this installation and I did same process to install. Again click on I agree. You can see here available space is 5 GB. Again click on next and install finally. Click on next. Now click on finish. Both software has been installed. Now we will open VS Code. Click on extensions. Search STM32 Cube IDE Visual Studio. This is STM32 Cube IDE for Visual Studio Code. Click on install. Now all STM32 related extension has been installed. Click on this icon STM32 extension. OK, you can see these options are there. Now open STM32 Cube MX. Click on access to board selector. OK. Now type here Nucleo F411. Select this and click on Start Project. Yes. OK. This is what I am going to use and LED pin is assigned by default on PA5 pin. I am not going to change anything here. Now go to Project Manager. Type here project name. Select the project directory. Create here new file, then select OK. Next, select the toolchain IDE CMake. Finally, click on Generate Code. Click on Close. Now we will import the project in VS Code. Click on Debug. This is configured discovered CMake as STM32 cube. Click on Yes. Okay, now go to main.c file. Let us add LED toggle program here. Okay, now again click on STM32 extension and click on Setup STM32 Cube Project. You can see board is Nucleo F411RE and toolchain is GCC. Click on Configure. Debug. Save and close. Now configuration is completely done. Go to File again. Now click on Build. You can see code has been built successfully. Here you can see consumed flash and RAM size. Now let us start debugging. Click on Debug. Okay, now click on Run and start debugging. Select here STM32 launch ST-Link GDB server and now debugging will be started. Let us debug it step by step. Click on one step over. Next, 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 next. You can see LED is on. Again next, next. Wow, you can see LED is off. On, off, on, off. Let us click on continue. Now LED toggling is started. That's it friends. I hope you learn how to use VS Code to compile and run STM32 project. Thanks for watching and see you in next one.